So you're going to enter MusicRacer.com and hit enter. And then you're going to pick your game, note names, pick your instrument. I will go with viola. Over here it says viola, easy note names. That's what I know I'm doing. We are on level A. I'm going to click begin. And I'm going to try and name my notes. There's C, B, A. So this is A. This is also A. That's E. That's B. That is C sharp because it has the sharp sign next to it. C was on the line, so right before it is B. Down at the bottom, that's G, open G. That's open D. 8 out of 8 with a time of 29 seconds. I can do level A again if I want, or I can go on to level B, but for now I just want you guys to do level A.